Hepworth and his group of buddies are off-roading inside an 800-acre park in Hollister, California. The park, known as Hollister Hills, has about 24 miles of trails for thrill seekers to explore.
I got some mud off? Yeah, dude.
Paul and two of his pals are about to tackle a steep trail called Truck Hill. The trio rips up the hill, carving into the loose dirt, bumps, and ruts. They're halfway up when Paul's truck suddenly starts to lose traction.
Oh, Paul, don't get stuck there, dude.
Paul slams his brakes, but the truck slides.
Oh, does he have brakes?
Oh, shoot. Oh, no! Oh! Craig! No!
On the way up the hill, the truck's drive shaft slams against rocks and ruts. The impact causes the drive shaft to snap, cutting power to the rear wheels.
Did you hear that?
Paul slams the brakes, but the truck loses traction on the steep incline and loose dirt.
Oh, does he have
As
brakes?
gravity takes over, the truck slides sideways, causing the vehicle to roll over and flip 3 times. Amazingly, Paul and both of his passengers walk away. Paul suffers only a broken finger, and his passengers minor cuts and bruises. Paul believes the outcome would have been much worse if it weren't for 2 things: his truck's roll bar and the fact that everyone on board was wearing a lap belt. As for Paul's $7,000 investment, the frame is bent and both axles are broken. Paul salvages what he can and scraps the rest. The body nets him only $13.73. Despite the loss, Paul and his buddies consider themselves lucky. Only 6 weeks earlier, another off-roader was killed on this same hill.
Oh, does he have brakes?
Oh, shoot. Oh, no! Oh.